Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Why would a man who stood beside the Prophet in every hardship, a man promised Jannah, a man loved by Allah and His Messenger, cry before his death? Hazrat Abu Bakr as-Siddiq was not afraid of death. He was not worried about punishment. Yet, in his final days, his eyes were full of tears. Today, we will explore why Hazrat Abu Bakr cried before his death. And what this teaches every Muslim, including us. Who was Hazrat Abu Bakr 1.5 minutes. Hazrat Abu Bakr was the closest companion of Prophet Muhammad, the first adult male to accept Islam. Known as Siddiq, the one who always spoke the truth. Companion of the Prophet in the cave of Thor. The first caliph of Islam. Despite his high status, Abu Bakr lived with extreme humility. The Prophet once said, "If I were to take a close friend besides Allah, I would take Abu Bakr." Still, Abu Bakr never felt proud. His life was full of sacrifice. 1.5 minutes. Hazrat Abu Bakr gave everything for Islam, his wealth, his comfort, even his life, if needed. During the expedition of Tabuk, when the Prophet asked for charity, Abu Bakr brought all that he owned. When asked, "What have you left for your family?" he replied, "I have left Allah and His Messenger for them." Yet, despite such sacrifices, he feared that his deeds might not be accepted. The final days of Hazrat Abu Bakr 2 minutes. In the year 13 Hijri, Hazrat Abu Bakr fell ill. As his illness worsened, people noticed something unusual. This strong leader, this fearless companion, was crying. When people asked him why he was crying, his answers shook their hearts. He said words similar to this: "I am not crying because I love this world. I am crying because I fear what lies ahead." He feared standing before Allah. Why did he cry before death? Core reason: 2 minutes. Hazrat Abu Bakr cried not because of sins, but because of his deep consciousness of Allah. He said, "I wish I were a bird, eating from trees, and not held accountable." Imagine this. A man promised Jannah, a man who spent his life in obedience, yet he feared accountability. Standing before Allah. Whether his deeds were accepted. This is called taqwa, true God consciousness. A powerful statement that explains everything. 1.5 minutes. Hazrat Abu Bakr once said, "Even if 1 foot of mine were in Jannah, I would still fear Allah's plan." This fear was not despair. It was humility. He understood that deeds do not guarantee Jannah. Only Allah's mercy does. That is why he cried. A lesson for us today. 1 minute. Today, we feel safe after small deeds. 1 prayer. 1 donation. 1 good action. But Abu Bakr after a lifetime of sacrifice, still feared Allah. This teaches us, never feel proud of your deeds. Never feel guaranteed. Always balance hope and fear. His death and final advice. 1 minute. Hazrat Abu Bakr passed away at the age of 63, the same age as the Prophet. Before his death, he gave advice to the Ummah: hold firmly to truth. Fear Allah in private and public. Do not be deceived by power or status. He lived humbly, and he died humbly. Conclusion, emotional ending. 1 minute. Hazrat Abu Bakr cried before death. Because he knew Allah better than anyone. Not fear of hell, not love of the world, but fear of standing before his Lord. If Abu Bakr cried, what about us? May Allah grant us true humility, sincere repentance, and death with Iman. Ameen. If this story touched your heart, subscribe for more Islamic history.